cum propter longitudinum agminis minus facile omnia per se ab ire et quid quoque loco faciendum esset providere possent userent pronuntiare ut impedimenta relinquerent atque in orbem consisterent. Okay, Caesar starts with the word cum, and being enterprising Latin students, you know that cum can either mean when, since, because, with, although, something like that. Well, what can we decide? Is this going to be a cum clause or is this going to be a preposition here? When you look at the cum, you see that right after it is the preposition propter, and you're not going to have two prepositions in a row, so this cum here must be introducing a cum clause. Is there anything else here to verify that that is indeed correct? If we keep going, you'll see, yes indeed, because we've got a subjunctive verb there with possent. So we have a cum clause that starts here at cum, and it goes, we're going to bracket this off, it starts here, and it goes down here. Okay, and then propter longitudinum, hopefully by now you're starting to recognize these prepositional phrases, and it starts here, on account of the length of the line. So Caesar has given us the beginning of a cum clause and a prepositional phrase, but we still don't know what's going on for the main part of the sentence. We get some adverbs less easily over here, and then we get omnia. That's the first pronoun, adjective, nouny thing. Let's see. What can this be? This could either be nominative or accusative plural because it's neuter. So we don't know. We have to hold that in our head. All things. It's either going to be the subject or the direct object. Keep going. Per se, another prepositional phrase. And then we have ab ire, which of course is an infinitive. Oh boy, are we an indirect statement? Are we using a complementary infinitive? Is this a historical infinitive? We don't have enough information yet, so we have to keep reading and see when Caesar fills in those blanks for us. But we've got less easily, all things, through themselves, take care of, and, oh boy, so this ab ire is going to be joined to something else. Before we get there, he gives us this little dependent clause here, but we've got providere here. So we have two infinitives, ab ire and providere, and then finally the verb possent. Oh, now we get it. These guys, ab ire and providere, are complementary infinitives dependent on the main verb in our cum clause, which is possent, with this little dependent clause in the middle here. So, since, because of the length of the line, less easily, well, omnia, now we look at that again. I betcha that it's probably the direct object because it makes more sense. Something about everything, through themselves, take care of, foresee. Oh, here it is. Since they, being Titurius and Cotta, the Roman leaders, since they were able less easily able to take care of everything on their own, and, again, less easily able to foresee or anticipate. And what are they less easily able to anticipate because of the length of the line? All this thing. And this, of course, looks like an indirect statement. I'm sorry, an indirect question because of the quid. Anticipate what? In loco faciendum esset, we have an nd word. So this is a gerundive. What had to be done in each place? So since the line is so big, these two guys can't take care of everything themselves. So that's our big cum clause there. And then we get the main verb. Thank you, Caesar, for giving us a main verb. They ordered. It would be really nice if Caesar told us exactly whom they ordered, but they didn't. So you should probably put in an understood direct object. They ordered him, them, some random people, probably the guys with tubas. They ordered them to do this. And since we're talking about an order, that's where Caesar gives us this ut, because now we have an indirect command. Notice we've got the ut here, and it starts here, and it ends here. This is our subjunctive verb because an indirect command has a main verb of ordering, warning, or admonishing. They ordered. It has an ut and a subjunctive. So they ordered that impedimenta relinquerent. Impedimenta is the direct object of relinquerent. Relinquerent, the understood subject is the soldiers, because those are the guys being ordered by the Roman generals. They ordered that they abandon their stuff, and in orbem consisterent, yay! They're going to go go stand in an orb so that they can defend themselves against this unexpected attack.